step by step, line by line. Welcome to Teach Kids How to Draw. Fine Art Online. It's seriously fun art projects for talented kids who really want to learn how to draw. Hi, I'm Donna Villa, your kid coach and new favorite art teacher. Thanks for joining me today. We are building skills so you can learn how to draw anything you'd like to draw, even if you think you're not a good artist. I will show you how. In this lesson, we will draw a cool shark. It's not harder, it just takes a little bit longer to do because it has a few more lines. It's hot stuff for cool kids like you. Now here's the secret. Forget what you're drawing and draw the lines you see on the screen. It's easy. And if the video goes too fast, you can stop it at any time. So get your thin black marker. Ready? Set? Let's have some fun. Supplies that work best are your thin black marker and your colored markers or your colored pencils. Now, hold your page vertically. That's standing up straight in a portrait position. And be sure to make your image large. It'll look even better if it goes off the page. Find your spot. That's where we will begin. So look at the dot on your screen and find the same spot on your paper. Remember, your artwork will not be perfect. If we wanted it to be perfect, we'd take a picture of it with the camera. We wouldn't draw it. Besides, it's the part that's not perfect that makes it so great. That's the part that adds your personality to your work. It makes it your own. Sometimes, though, there are lines that you may not be pleased with. Don't worry about those lines. Just continue with the drawing. And at the end, you'll see the lines may not look so bad. But if they do, you can always turn them into something else for no mistakes way to draw. We're ready to draw, so start with an organic shape for the eye. It's kind of like an oval. Take away all the white space in that shape and add another organic shape around it. Next, add a big curved line for the top of the head and two more near the eye. Time to draw on your own now, but not to worry. I'll be sure to jump in for the tricky parts. Now finish it up and you're done. Awesome. You have done a terrific job. I am so proud of you. Now, how will you finish? Your work does not have to look real. Remember, you are the artist. But if you want a more realistic look, just keep on going. I'm ready for my color, but I just don't want to color it in like a coloring page. I want to add color, and I always use a scrap of paper to test my colors before I put it on my artwork. And by the way, I love when those markers dry out. I always use them when I really want a light value. So here I used markers and I left a little bit of white space for good contrast. Then I used my thin black marker to define and add some shadow areas. I made some lines thin and some lines thick. And what about the negative space or the background? I put my shark coming out of the water. Notice how the water is blue and green? Or you could use colored pencils. Look at how I pressed a little harder on the outside edges to give it a darker value, and I left a little bit of white space in the middle to make it look like it's 3D. Congratulations! You did it! Great job! I hope you've enjoyed my lesson. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and write your comments below. You can even snap a photo of your work and post it on my Facebook page. Just search on Facebook the @TKH 2 There you can upload and ask me to take a look. I'd love to see what you've done. You can ask me questions there too. Now, make time to practice. The more you draw, the better your artwork will be. Have a great day, and thanks for joining me. I hope we can draw together again real soon.